Hey there, gearheads! Welcome back to another episode of Car Care Tips and Tricks. Today we're diving into a small but mighty part of your car's engine, the camshaft position sensor. This tiny component is often overlooked, but it's crucial for your engine's performance. You might not think much about it, but this little guy plays a big role in keeping your engine running smoothly. It's like the unsung hero of your car's engine. Trust me, you don't want to ignore it. A faulty camshaft position sensor can lead to a host of problems, from poor fuel economy to engine misfires. Imagine your engine is like a symphony orchestra. Every part needs to work in perfect harmony to create beautiful music. The camshaft position sensor is the conductor. It ensures that the timing of the engine's components is spot on. It tells the valves when to open and close, making sure everything works in perfect harmony. Without it, the engine's performance can become erratic. Without it, the whole orchestra falls apart. Your engine could stall, or worse, suffer significant damage. In this article, we'll break down what the camshaft position sensor does, why it's important, and how it impacts your vehicle's overall health. We'll also discuss the symptoms of a failing sensor and what happens when it goes bad. Ignoring these signs can lead to costly repairs. We'll even show you how to locate and replace it yourself. With a few tools and some patience, you can save yourself a trip to the mechanic. So, buckle up and let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this essential component and how to keep your engine running like a dream. The camshaft position sensor is like the eyes of your engine, constantly monitoring and reporting back to the car's computer. It tells the computer where the camshaft is positioned at any given moment, ensuring precise control. The camshaft is responsible for opening and closing the valves in your engine, which is crucial for the engine's breathing process. These valves let air in and exhaust out at just the right time, maintaining the engine's rhythm and performance. The sensor sends this information to the car's computer, which uses it to control the timing of the fuel injectors and ignition system, ensuring optimal performance. This ensures your engine runs efficiently and smoothly, providing you with a reliable and responsive driving experience. Think of it like this: the camshaft position sensor is like a choreographer, telling the dancers, valves, when to move in perfect harmony. Without it, the dance floor, your engine, would be a chaotic mess, leading to poor performance and potential engine damage. So, the next time you start your car, remember the vital role of the camshaft position sensor in keeping everything running smoothly and efficiently. A properly functioning camshaft position sensor is crucial for several reasons. First, it ensures that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. By providing accurate information to the car's computer, the sensor helps optimize fuel economy and reduce emissions. Second, it helps protect your engine from damage. When the camshaft position sensor fails, it can cause the timing of the valves to be off. This can lead to serious engine problems such as bent valves or even catastrophic engine failure. Finally, a working camshaft position sensor is essential for passing emissions tests. If the sensor is malfunctioning, your car may not pass emissions, preventing you from registering your vehicle. Now, how do you know if your camshaft position sensor is on its way out? This small but crucial component plays a vital role in your engine's performance, and when it starts to fail, it can cause a range of issues that you shouldn't ignore. Here are a few telltale signs that your camshaft position sensor might be failing. 1. Check engine light. One of the most common symptoms is the dreaded check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. This light can indicate a variety of issues, but a failing camshaft position sensor is a frequent culprit. 2. Rough idling. Does your engine sound like it's about to stall when idling? This rough idling can be more than just an annoyance. It can be a sign that your camshaft position sensor is not functioning properly. This could be a sign of a failing camshaft position sensor. When the sensor fails, it can send incorrect information to the engine control unit, causing the engine to misfire or idle roughly. 3. Poor acceleration. If your car feels sluggish and unresponsive when you step on the gas, it might not just be a minor issue. Poor acceleration can be a serious safety concern, especially when merging onto highways or overtaking other vehicles. It's time to investigate the camshaft position sensor. A failing sensor can disrupt the timing of your engine, leading to poor acceleration and overall performance. 4. Difficulty starting. A bad camshaft position sensor can make it difficult or even impossible to start your car. If you find yourself repeatedly turning the key with no success, this sensor might be to blame. And 5. Reduced fuel efficiency. If you notice a sudden drop in your gas mileage, it could be more than just a coincidence. A failing camshaft position sensor can cause your engine to run inefficiently, burning more fuel than necessary. A failing camshaft position sensor could be the culprit. Keeping an eye out for these symptoms can help you catch the problem early and avoid more costly repairs down the road. Section 5. Locating the camshaft position sensor. Don't worry, finding the camshaft position sensor isn't rocket science at all. It's usually located near the top of the engine, either on the cylinder head or the timing cover. It's a small cylindrical sensor with an electrical connector attached to it. You can consult your car's repair manual or look for online resources specific to your car model for its exact location. Section 6. Replacing the camshaft position sensor. Replacing the camshaft position sensor is a relatively straightforward job that most DIYers can tackle. Here's a simplified breakdown. First, always disconnect the negative battery cable before working on any electrical components in your car. Second, once you've found the sensor, carefully unplug the electrical connector. Third, use a wrench or socket to loosen and remove the sensor from the engine. Fourth, thread the new sensor into place and tighten it to the manufacturer's specifications. Fifth, make sure the connector is securely fastened. And finally, reconnect the negative battery cable. Section 7. Early warning signs and regular checks. Like any other part of your car, early detection is key to avoiding major issues. Keep an eye out for those telltale signs we discussed earlier in the video. If you experience any of them, don't ignore them. Act promptly. Regular maintenance can also help prevent camshaft position sensor problems from occurring. Ask your mechanic to inspect the sensor during routine checkups and replace it if necessary. Section 8. Conclusion. Don't ignore the camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor might be a small part, but it plays a vital role in keeping your engine running smoothly. Ignoring a failing sensor can lead to costly repairs down the road. Remember, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way, so keep an eye on your car, listen for those warning signs, and don't hesitate to get it checked out if something doesn't feel right. Happy driving.